Senator Ping Lacson in his privileged speech said,
Kaya talagang sabi niya, nagatit ako ng pera at iba, but not to the president.
the president did not know about the supposed 100 billion pesos in projects. Kumbaga, libre-libre. So, in effect, not only as Bersamin, Secretary Daman, Undersecretary Oliver, Undersecretary Emails. So it would appear that this is operating only within that level that the President doesn't know. That's what Senator Ping Lacson said.
His undersecretary naman, walang takot sa kanya. His underlings operate